Meet Eric. He earns, he spends, and at month's end, little is left. So Eric tries one thing. Set aside 10,000 FCFA every month. At first it feels too small to matter, but every month adds a coin, and it starts to roll. Here's the magic. Your money earns a little. Then those earnings earn too. That's compounding. Year 10, small. Year 20, bigger. Year 40, it climbs fast, like a mango tree. Years of nothing, then fruit every season. 40 years of 10,000 a month, at an educational 8%, lands near 34.9 million FCFA. You only put in about 4.8 million. Time and compounding added the rest. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to grow. Learn more and join the waitlist at investcam.net.